Hello.
Hello, Ashok.
Yeah, this is Ashok. Uh, who is this?
Hey, Ashok. Ravikant here.
Hey Ravikant, how are you? It has been a long time.
Yeah, it's been a very long time. I'm fine. How are you?
Me? Not bad, Ravikant. Life is going. So this is your new number?
Yeah, it's my new number. Hey, listen. I got to know about your wife. I'm sorry for the loss. This COVID has ruined everyone's lives.
Don't be. She might not be here, but I can still feel her presence in this house. I was so blessed to have her in my life. We have raised three beautiful children together. Now they are all established and they are here to take care of me.
But they're not in your house, right?
Yeah, they are in different cities now. I'm so glad they are successful in their lives. My elder boy is a policeman now. My second daughter is a scientist and working in APK laboratories. My youngest daughter is a doctor and is working as an intern in city hospital. I'm so happy for them.
Yeah, me too. But don't you think in these conditions, where COVID cases are at its peak, them working at such conditions is really unsafe? I mean, look at your children. Your elder daughter works in a laboratory where tons of COVID cases are tested every day, and your younger daughter works in a COVID care center, and your son is a policeman. You already lost one of your dearest. All I want to say is, it's time to call them back home.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, think about it. I have got a Zoom call, love. I'll call you on some other day. Take care.
Yeah. Bye.
You already lost one of your dearest. All I want to say is, it's time to call them back home. I mean, look at your children.
Hi.
How are you all?
Fine, Dad. How are you?
Yeah, I am doing good. And Arjun, where are you?
Officer, full busy, huh?
Not as busy as you, doctor. I was on my rounds. I just took a break now. It is so hard for us here. Authorities give us orders. We try our level best to enforce it. But people here, they just do not care. People here do not even understand the importance of wearing a mask and maintaining social distance. I'm seriously tired of all this. Many people come out without wearing masks. Wait them, they go back home with blacks and blues. I also know it is hard for so many people out there who depend on daily wages, and it is definitely impossible to feed their family. And that is why our police department has gathered some funds through our wages and also through other sources. Now we are using it to distribute food and essentials to the needy ones while we are patrolling. So when I'm doing that, I feel so much happy because when I give them that food and essential, I see that bright smile on their face. That makes me feel good. I seriously hope this pandemic goes away soon and everything comes back to normal.
Wow, that's great, brother. Really proud of you.
Yeah, beta, I am so happy that you are doing such great works.
It's not only me, Dad. There are thousands and lakhs of people out there who are working for the country's sake and helping people in the pandemic. I'm just a part of them.
That's true, son. That's true. Then, Sanjana, how's everything going up there?
Everything's going great here, Dad. The job we do is quite risky, but yes, we are very happy to be a part of it. Spending long hours trying to break the secret of virus is quite interesting. And you know what? Yesterday we made a team which is being sent to research teams around the world to find the cure and to share the data. We are trying very hard to increase the vaccine efficiency. Hope everything goes on well. I just can't wait for the day when the world turns out happy once again.
Yeah, even I am waiting for that day to come. Every morning I pray to God that these tough days should come to an end. I hope this happens soon.
Then, Doctor Madam, how's everything going there?
It's so hard to explain. As a doctor, the whole day in a PPE kit, we watch the fight happen up close, right? Where some people win and some people just don't. Moreover, we watch their families sitting outside hospitals praying to God that nothing should happen to their loved ones and they should be alright. But it's just so hard to control your emotions. I've had to outright lie to patients where I tell them they're going to be alright when I'm sure they aren't. It's just a part. Well, it's just a part of the job. But then I remember that all I ever wanted to be was a doctor. And now that I'm finally here, I definitely feel it's my responsibility to do my part in making the world that little bit better and healthier.
Wow, dear, I am so proud to be your father. Your mom would be so proud today if she was here. She's blessing you all from heaven.
Yes, Dad. We all miss Mom.
Yeah, we miss her, Dad.
Today, one of my old friends called me. He told me I have already lost one of my dearest to this virus, and I should call all of you guys back home. Even I felt the same after talking to him, but now I think I was wrong. I might have lost my dearest to this virus, but there are lakhs of others who are fighting every day with this virus. They need to get saved for their loved ones. I am so proud of you guys that you are a part of this. I can't be more proud than this. I salute every frontline worker who are working selflessly without caring for their own lives and the lives of their family members. And you all, don't worry about me. I am good, I am strong, and keeping myself healthy. I'll be fine. You all take care of yourself and make this world a better place again. You guys are so brave, and I'm so proud to say that my children are COVID warriors.
Yeah, Dad. We'll definitely do our part in making the world a better and a safer place again.
I'm so proud to be your son, Dad.
Yes, Dad, you are the best. We love you.
Love you, kids. We will defeat this together. Take care of yourself. Keep serving the nation. I'm so proud of you. As the pages of time would unfold, a story of heroes would need to be told. A virus so deadly stroked the earth that tore things down and broke apart. It knew no bullets, knew no vests, ran through the body, right through the chest. When everything failed and the threat prevailed, the masked heroes were made avail. Some would heal, some would clean up the mess, some would protect the rules in utmost stress. Some set off and never came back, in order to bring humanity onto its track. Day by day, they kept losing its game. We cheered them up, clapped, and chanted their names. We saw the blessings and nature's wrath as the heroes lay down suffocating in their own breath. Finally, big brains of the world came up, made a vaccine to close it up. Day by day, more deadly it became, gulping on lives on its name. Still, our fighters never gave up, snatched lives from death, standing on the top. If one day we can hold back our fames, the victory should carry all their names.